Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make okra no gomae. It's another very simple vegetable side using okra. So simple. Can't be simpler simple, so I hope this will be your favorite side. At the end of the video, I will show you how I make a menu with this okra no gomae, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some okra. I'm using 18 today, but you can use more. 2 tablespoons of ground sesame, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. While you prepare some boiling water, let's prepare okra. Cut the top off and remove this black part around the neck. Same for the rest of the okra. Okra is hairy and it creates funny texture in your mouth. To remove the hair, sprinkle some salt, just random amount. And roll it. Then rinse off the salt. Now, boiling water is ready. So let's cook okra for 2 minutes. Then take them out. Now, I'm making the sauce or the dressing. Just put these 3 in one bowl and mix. That's it. Very simple. Ground sesame, sugar, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. It's like a paste rather than dressing or sauce. Very thick. Let's cut okra into bite-sized pieces and add to the bowl of the sesame paste. Into 2 or 3 depending on the size. Mix with the paste. And it's done. Super simple. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Okra no gomae is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. Anything you like for the main, but I think I want to have something that is not soy saucy, so let's have ebi to tamanegi no kakiage. Plain rice here, and egg miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.